we go. John finally busting out the Super Saiyan claws again. So it's chickens.
Is it 1-1?
It is 1-0 in LSChicken's favor right now.
Bomb.
No, reflects it, but it still gets hit by Wonder Wing. There we go. The bounce up looks so funny. Hey, that. Nice, good poke from LSChicken. And he will not be able to make this unfortunate stuff. Alright, this is a brand new LSChicken. I've never seen him play like this before. Look at him. Good spacing on the grenades. John having a hard time getting in. There we go. Oh, oh, oh. And
The thunder.
he tried getting the up smash for important stuff, but he's still in it though. Almost enough to kill! Good stuff. 40% not too bad right now. Takes it back here. Gets it out. Oh, wow. And. Here we go. Good pressure coming up from John. Whoa. Big down smash reading the tech in place. Boosh. And would that be enough? Really enough to kill. Fresh 5-1 ring line deck. Oh! Mid-set taunt. Let's see if we can finish the job though. Okay. Nice neutral air. Oh! Almost gets the up tilt, but good bash coming out from John. Oh. Oh! Alright, LSChicken still in this. He can still win this.
Can he bring it back?
Yo! Still living though. Alright, 51. 75.
Uh-oh.
Oh, 87 already. It's looking kind of grim. Truly anyone's game right now.
The grenade.
No. Oh, you're crazy! Carry of beef coming out from John, staying alive in the tournament. 1-1. Woo. Alright, this is it. Game 3. Renee moves on.
3, 2, 1.
Taking it to Kalos, okay. not get the kill off of that. Let's see what Chicken can do here.
Do it. Ooh.
No way. Alright, eats it down there for it. Nice LB kill! Alright, John taking the first stock. Oh, still alive though. See 118 the Rage Drive. Scary Kazuya. Not fall for that. And alright, waiting for him to react. Good stuff. Wrong way. Yeah. Again. And he gets it that time. Alright, 3-1 right now. LSChicken needs to figure something out. Into the bomb as well, look cool. What a tech.
We got 3 stocks to 1.
Oh! Alright, let's chicken for the one on the board. Can you get another?
Banjo.
Yep. Good stuff.
GG's.
GG, y'all.
Kazuya Mishima wins.
Okay.